MALIA. Oh my gosh, I'm not laughing at that video. I don't care about that.
Learn to just be natural.
Heads, we're gonna clash every time because you a man and I'm a man. We're masculine. These women can hold the same space with me. You know why? Because they feminine. And you know what feminine look like to you? It look like they ain't got no mind. They just gonna let him talk to him like that? But that's how you talk to your man.
He said I'm picking myself.
I have to whisper scream.
Whisper scream.
Like this. Motherfucker. That's right. Don't ask me how to get rid of the masculinity. I'm gonna tell you. Share, bitch. The niggas out there. He just got all the bitches. I think that a man is first gonna try to dominate you first to see how far he can go. But once he know he can dominate you, then he backs off because a man only is. It's like a dog. A dog will sniff out his territory, scratches. You know what I'm saying? Bury whatever he wants there. Once he bury his love there, he knows he sniffs out first. So he's gonna do things to try to see how you gonna respond first. You feel me? Not all dudes. I'm talking about it's very rare you meet a real nigga. Where you from, baby?
Where you at? You on the west side?
Hell yeah, what's up? Where you at?
Man, just came outside. I'm gonna go to the bank real quick.
Ain't that your second house?
Hey, send me the address. I'll pull up on you real quick.
Alright. And niggas be so insecure with their heart.